overhead, see all the different colors of the mechanical ducts, electrical, firefighting. So that's basically like as you walk around, you start seeing everything in a separate color, right? So basically you do this a lot for overhead coordination, because that's where all the delays happen and the problems happen. So you take a building like this and you slice it, take a section of it, and you look at the different floors and where the pipes are located and how they fit within each other.
Is this one program right now, or do they have multiple programs that do this? So
Excellent question. So there's a lot of software out there, just like for for any service, but Revit is one of the most commonly used software. And on Revit, basically, you can slice the building and look at any different trade.
Yeah, this combines with Revit.
Correct. It's an outcome from Revit.
We have a question here.
Sure, go ahead.
Is that used for presentation, or is that more of an interactive thing and you're just kind of showing us there?
So I wanted to show you this for interactive purposes, but obviously for presentations you will start and stop and look at a certain area, and then everybody will talk about it. We'll have a meeting about one specific room.
That's awesome.
So it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you another video here that.
I mean, the video started backwards, right? Because the building was complete when we walked into it.
Yeah.
Right.
That's cool.
So, alright, let's make sure it's running. Alright, so a lot of times when contractors are bidding on a job, they want to put together an impressive video that can kind of help the owner see the sequence of work, and that's really important. Okay. So one thing I want you to notice here, as the building is going up, I want to take a look at the time schedule, because this will show you where we are at every stage of the game, right? Because at any point I can just pause and see, when are we gonna get foundation done? When are we gonna get the first floor done? So take a look at it, and let me know if you have any questions. But they will show you the crane location, it will show the swing radius of the crane, and it will show you, we will start on that side of the building, and then we go towards the other side. So that's important too, because one side might be higher elevation than the other. So you basically show the owner an understanding of the geotechnical side of the work. And then as you can see, one side of the building is further ahead than the other side, because one side is higher, one side is more critical. So they start with this side first, and then they move on to the other side. But the cool thing about BIM modeling is that it will show you that you can move around and you can see a 360 view.
How long does it take to prepare this?
30 seconds video will take about, I would say, at least from 500 to 700 hours or more.
Wow.
Especially something with this quality. Because this video is, you're talking about engineers and schedulers and people thinking about the sequence, and project managers, and people thinking about the costs, right? There's a lot of factors involved. And then programmers and developers, right? So this is a group effort. It's not one guy working on a computer who's really good.
But there's more work than just the video, right? I mean, all the project information is in there too, right? It's like far beyond
So
the video.
everyone can build
Where is
parts
the
and
cost?
pumps. That's cool.
Is the cost mentioned in the video?
So this one is 4D. So basically it shows.
That's pretty cool. I mean, just from just to
We may see the first few seconds again, but the whole idea here is that every project there are certain milestones that we have to hit, and as the video goes up, you're gonna see some major milestones. On November 21st, we get to milestone A, and then maybe 3 months later we get to milestone B. So basically, what owners do is that they tie that schedule to their contract. They say, we expect you to finish foundations by the end of the first quarter. We expect you to finish the structure maybe 6 months later, right? So that becomes a contractual obligation, and that's why a lot of people get involved with them.